Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a problem experiencing hard brake pedal guys, when you press your brake pedal it feels hard, we'll explain guys what can cause that. One of the reasons guys, it's 90% of the time that is the reason why, and we'll explain everything else guys, how the whole system works and you know what to check and what to expect. Now we'll be working guys on that Dodge, but actually it will be the same for almost any modern vehicle guys, because the brake system works practically exactly the same. So let's explain now, okay, what can cause your hard brake pedal. Every car guys we get at the shop will be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we have that engine out, and with the engine being out guys, we can explain okay how the system works. So let's start on the back side first. You guys, right behind your brake pedal on the front side, you have a brake booster and brake pump right here. And that brake booster guys, okay, sometimes it can go bad. It has membranes that are activated by vacuum, and it will make your your brake pedal feels nice. If it goes bad, sometimes it may malfunction. You may experience hard brake pedal, but that's not very common guys. That's like probably I'll say 5% of the time. And also guys, what do you need to check? Right here, this is your brake vacuum line. You need to check the holes for cracks. Okay, in our case, I don't see any cracks here. Always check on the back side, and crack there, I don't see anything guys. Okay, now if I look closely, definitely guys, cracks started developing. Okay, check it out, but not too many so far. But eventually in the near future, that will happen. Later guys, how that system works. That brake booster is activated by two ways. On newer vehicles, we have a brake pump, brake booster pump, or also known as vacuum pump, which could be driven by the engine itself, mechanical pump like this one here. It's attached to the camshaft, usually on the side of the engine. It's driven by the camshaft when the engine runs and creates vacuum, or it can be electric pump with a 12-volt supply. Some cars, it's crazy. You may have for the same engine, you may have either mechanical or 12-volt electrical pump. So it's really hard to tell guys which one you have, but if you have it, usually it will be on the right side of the cylinder head. On the right side it will be attached to the camshaft. And follow the brake line, you'll be able to find the pump. Check your connections guys, okay, check everything. Also you have valves right here that let the air go. Okay, let me focus here quick. Only one way, check out the arrow. The air can go only from here to the vacuum pump. It cannot go back. That way it creates vacuum. If that valve is stuck closed, it will not get vacuum past that point, and you will have no brakes guys, hard brake pedal. Another thing, especially, okay, it applies to this vehicle, but older vehicles didn't used to have brake pumps. How did they work guys? They used to use, okay, the vacuum created by the intake manifold. When the air goes through the intake manifold in the engine produces vacuum on its own guys. It's like a natural thing, and that vacuum has been used on so many vehicles guys, just to feed the brake booster. And on some vehicles you don't have brake pump, that's the only thing. And check this thing out. In our case we have a brake pump and a vacuum for the intake as well. And right here guys, cracks, right, check it out, 2 cracks on that hose. Car is only 4 years old and has 70,000 miles. That crack, and we have a crack. Okay, let me focus here quick so you can see right there, another crack guys. These cracks will let air come out. Okay, air will come out, and as a result guys, okay, what will happen? You will lose vacuum and you will not have good brakes. So 90% of the time guys, it's a cracked hose, okay, rubber hose somewhere. Follow the hose from the brake booster to the intake manifold, and most likely you will find your crack somewhere. I've seen plastic hoses like that. Okay, we had a Porsche Cayenne with the same scenario guys. The plastic hose cracked right here. It was really hard to see, it was on the inside, and I never checked it. And that's why we didn't have good brakes. So that's another reason. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.